Daily routines are the activities we do every day. Understanding and talking about daily routines is important when learning English. Here is an example of a simple daily routine. Waking up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. After waking up, I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I get dressed for the day, having breakfast. I eat breakfast at 7:30 a.m. For breakfast, I usually have eggs, toast, and a cup of tea or coffee. Sometimes I eat fruit, like an apple or a banana, going to school or work. After breakfast, I leave home at 8 a.m. I go to school or work by bus, car, or bicycle. It usually takes me 20 minutes to get there. I start my school or work at 9 a.m. I study different subjects like math, science, and English. At work, I complete tasks or help customers. At 12:30 p.m., I take a break for lunch. I eat lunch at 12:30 p.m. I usually have a sandwich or salad with a drink. Sometimes I eat with my friends or co-workers. I finish school or work at 4 p.m. After that, I go home to relax or do some chores. Dinner time is at 7 o'clock in the evening. I usually eat rice, chicken, and vegetables. After dinner, I clean the dishes and then, just relax. In the evening, I watch TV, read a book, or listen to music. I also check my phone or talk to my family. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. Before sleeping, I brush my teeth and wash my face. I set my alarm for the next morning. Then I sleep. Wake up to stop sleeping. Breakfast, the first meal of the day. School or work, the place where you study or work. Relax, to rest and do something you enjoy. Go to bed, to lie down and sleep. This is an example of a simple daily routine. Practice talking about your own routine and use new vocabulary words.